Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech. Today we wanna talk about CIS Build Kit. Yeah. Uh, so, CIS is an organization that provides a lot of benchmarks, standards, and everything regulation to harden your software, to harden your operating system. So it is a lot of standards, right? And yeah, today we want to talk about the build kit. So build kit is a tool that provided also by CIS, and then you by using this tool you can harden your operating system. And here it's a website of CIS, so you can create an account and be a member, and then after having a membership you can use CIS build kit. So here there are some different operating system, and by using build kit you can harden them. So in our case today we are going to harden Ubuntu, and yeah, so I already downloaded the build kit. I have it on my Ubuntu machine, but yeah, so I just wanted to share you how it, so where you can download it, and how you can access to that. So let's get started, and let's go to our Ubuntu. So this is the file. So actually it's a zip file, and then I extracted the file here, and now I have the file here. So I go there and just open the terminal, and so what we have here are different files, different information. So you can, if you want, you can go them. Some of them are text files, and so you can also see the script, what it does, and but yeah, in our case I don't want to work on that, and that's not the topic of this video. So we want to just see how we can harden our operating system by using this script. So as you see, now I have Ubuntu, and now I want to use this kit to harden my Ubuntu, right? So let's do that, and let's run CIS. Yeah, so I'm going to run this file. So CIS Ubuntu on this, and it starts to ask, so where the remediation kit being run. Okay, so, and then sudo, and I will give my password, and here so we can see it's a kind of an interactive, right? So you will select the user profile that you want, and we will see that. So this Linux build kit makes change to your system, yeah. So you should really know what you are going to do. So don't do that on a production system or production server. That's yeah, maybe it will cause errors and problem. So do you want to continue? I say yes, I want to continue. And now it's asking which one you want. So level 1 server, level 1 workstation, level 2 server, level 2 workstation. Yeah, there are these four different profile. And again, if you download, or if you have a CIS Benchmarks Ubuntu, there it is written, yeah, what are they. For example, level 1 is it's more general, and level 2 it's really strict, yeah. So if you want to deploy level 2, so then you should really know what you're doing, because it will maybe limit some functionality, and some stuff. But now and then it's also work for server and workstation, but in our case now I'm using workstation, but in your case it can be also server and workstation, and I'm going to choose level 1 workstation, and I say level 1 workstation, and now it starts to run. So it's checking, and based on the CIS benchmarks, it's checking what should be done here, and different security policies, and now we should wait for the script to be over, and now it's checking, and these numbers exactly you can find them in the CIS benchmark for Ubuntu, right? And now yeah, we just wait, and at the end it will also give us a report, so what it has done, what was already remediated. So if in some cases, for example, there was no action needed because the image was already hardened in that particular case, but yeah, we can wait till the end and we will see, right? Yeah, as you can see, the script is done, and at the end it gives us, yeah, so the log files, you can check the logs here, and because some of them had errors, some of them are failed, some of them are manual, and so generally there were 279 remediations. 50 of them are skipped, so because it was not in the selected profile, because we just chose workstation level 1, and 49 of them are not applicable, and excluded list was 0 because we didn't want to exclude, and already remediated, so 80 there were 80 of those remediations were already passed or already remediated, so the script didn't do anything. So 55 of them, so it was remediated, so the script helped to harden our uh, OS, and also 43 remediations should be done manually. So if you see, this is really detailed information, and at the end you can see two of them are failed, so you can go to the logs and yeah, see more information. So again, here there's a summary, shorter summary, and applicable, passing, manual, everything together. And just let's see, okay, for example, the manual one, so we can go here, and let's see. So this is a, for example, one of those files, and you can see, ensure cryptographic mechanisms are used to protect the integrity of audit tools. They are manual, the script cannot check them. Or ensure an unowned file or directories exist, or there are a lot of them. So here, as I mentioned, the numbers are exactly the same numbers in benchmark. So if you don't understand what they mean, so you can go to the benchmark and read more about each remediations. So yeah, now uh, if we go, so if we run the script again, and then you will see there won't be again, for example, here successfully remediated, so it will be in already remediated. So because this time, the first time we already did that. So I hope you enjoy that. So this script and this tool is really, really powerful. So it's a widely used tool in industry, and yeah, you should learn how to use it, and yeah, by reading the benchmarks you can really understand what's going on, yeah, behind the scenes. And yeah, I hope you enjoy that, and yeah, see you later.